This tutorial will go over the help file, how-to file, and the tutorial all embedded within the E3 product. Let us help you help yourself. Let's get started. We're going to go ahead and open up E3, get that software loaded for us. Now that E3 is open, we're going to go ahead and close out of this window, and we're going to go up to Case and Help. Under the support column, you will see the help file, the how-to file, and the tutorials. The tutorials, this window appeared when you first initiated E3. It goes over navigation, licensing, mobile device processing, and digital data processing. These are just brief little tutorials that you just click next through. And now we are going to start with our help file. These files are in PDF format, so make sure that you have a PDF reader available for you. Go ahead and double click on that. The help file is loaded. As you can tell, it's 716 pages long, so a ton of valuable information in this help file. There's a table of contents where you can go search for what you want. I prefer Control F because I like Control F. So I'm going to look for sorted data. Viewing sorted data. So we can see that that's on page 455. So I'm going to go down to page 455. I'm on page 455, viewing sorted data. Some keynotes for sorting data. The blue is sorted files, and the purple is sorted files linked to the hash databases. Extremely important when you're working with sorted data. Now I am going to look at output export. We get a lot of questions about output export for mail storages. So it's going to search through there, check it out. It has a table of all of the exports that we do and lots of questions. Save folder hierarchy. This is where you're going to find that information. Now we are going to search for chat database. Working with chat databases, adding evidence. It gives you step-by-step and screenshots, every chat database that we support. And lastly, we will look for hash database. As you can see, Control F is your friend. And now we will go to the how-to file, which is an amazing file. We're going to go ahead and just minimize this and go to our how-to. Again, that's going to open up another PDF. So we're just going to scroll to the top. This one is 413 pages of how-to. So for this, of course, there's again a table of contents. So if you need to get more in depth on how to investigate certain things, how to search in mail storage, all of this information is step by step with screenshots to assist you in the navigation of the acquisition. For instance, let's say I'm doing a iPhone acquisition and I forget how to do iTunes backup. So we're going to search in there, iTunes backup. How to investigate an iTunes backup, page 144. So I'm going to browse down that way. This gives you how to investigate the iTunes backup, what plist, MD, that we support, where they're located, and then step by step on how to view all of this data. Another example is working with Androids. Now, you know you need to put Androids in specific settings to acquire the data. So we're going to go USB debugging mode. And this gives you step by step for each flavor of Android OS on where USB debugging mode is and how to enable that. Another example is, say you exited out of the auto exam and you really didn't want to do that and you still need to perform sorting. So we're going to go ahead and type in perform sorting. We're going to search for that. And this right here gives you step by step how to perform sorting. Let's say now you acquired a hard drive and you need to search the registry. So let's search registry data. Again, you can see select parse registry data. Tons of information about this. Within that hard drive, you're also looking for OLE storage. Let's go for OLE storage. And this is going to give you that OLE storage is on page 118. You can click continue and it'll keep searching. How to investigate, page 130. Last but not least, let's look up data triage. We're doing a hard drive investigation and data triage is pretty important. Again, you can see data triage is everywhere. Use the table of contents if you're not finding specifically what you need with the Control F function. I'm going to go ahead and close out of this. And this will complete our tutorial on how to use the how-to file, the help file, and the tutorials embedded within E3.